Hello mga palangga! Welcome to my YouTube channel! So today, we are here in the mall. Grocery lang tayo konti. Naganap kami po na sweet potato. Pero, yung sweet potato nila is not really orange but it's good. Yan. Pili tayo. At ito. Pili lang tayo ng kahit dalawa lang yung ating bilhin. I'm choosing a lot of potato here. Not really bad. Ayan oh. Pili tayo kasi orange naman pala ito. Bibili tayo ng dalawa o tatlong orange na potato. Kasi meron tayong sweet potato. Ayan. So anyway, dito lang kami mga palangga na bumili lang kami ng konti ng grocery dahil nga ay bumili kami ng bones. Binilihan din namin yung mga aso natin ng beef bones, no? It's orange when I this one, no?
Are you sure?
Okay. You need lang 3? Okay. Okay. Kuha pa tayo kasi tatlo yung kinuha ko na sweet potato, tapos dadagdagan lang po natin ng dalawa. Medyo yung aking voice talaga mga kalangga, hindi na tayo nakapag-vlog dahil nga ay hindi tayo inalaw ng doktor na too much talking, no? Kasi yung aking voice nga mga palangga ay wala na. Di na. I want to gusto ko may balik yung aking tinig. Di masyado yung aking tinig kasi yung my voice loss. I got hoarseness. Hoarseness means like pagaw. So kailangan natin na iwas natin na too much talk at bawal din tayo magalit, bawal tayo din magkanta. So, ayan, dito tayo sa mall. Tapos, hindi na tayo bibili ng mga fruits kasi alis naman kami for today, mga palangga. I'm so excited kasi magkita daw kami ng aking best friend. So, mga palangga, magkita daw kami ng aking best friend. Do you look for my wallet? Open ba yan? So, nakapila tayo ngayon. Medyo mataas pa yung pila. Pila muna tayo. Kaya kasi namin mga palangga, pupunta kami ng pupunta kami ng Davao today. Pero wala na kaming oras. No? Kasi pag magbiyay pa kami pupunta ng Davao, wala na. Baka 1 o'clock kasi ang dami sasakyan tsaka traffic din, no? So, ngayon, papila tayo, papakita ko sa inyo yung binili namin. So, ito lang yung mga binili namin mga palangga. Meron tayong sweet potato, onion, tsaka maraming beef. Tapos, and of course, sweet potato also. Kasi, bigyan din natin sila mama ng kamote. Kasi favorito ni mama. Darling, today may pupuntahan kasi kami ngayon sa Davao, pero ayun, didita daw kami ng aking best friend for a long time. Kita na rin kami, tapos hindi ko alam kung dito ba siya. Yep. Medyo hindi pa masyadong busy dito sa mall ngayon dahil nga ay tawag dito kasi maaga pa naman.
Back from the bus.
I'm so sorry. Nag-commute lang kasi kami mga palangga kahapon. Hubby is not comfortable the bus ride because of the seats. The seat is so small. So actually we just went here today here in the mall because we have something to do earlier. Tapos we stop here in the mall to get groceries, a little bit groceries. But anyway, today I and my best friend we're gonna meet. Finally, it's been 2 years and a half since last year. She went home from abroad because she's working abroad, and today, since we have time, so finally we're gonna meet. But she's not here yet because she's traveling. So I think I and my best friend will spend time together, and my hubby, I think you're not going, or what? You need rest.
I
don't know yet. Okay, it's not yet decided if he's going with us, because I and my best friend were talking a lot, and na chika here, chika there. And finally, mga palangga, pray for me that my voice were going back to normal. Because I know that you miss me so much. Nakapila lang kami ni Habi. We're all in line here. We're in the lane just to get there, check out. And finally, guys, I know that you are always watching my vlog. Thank you so much. Huh? Sobrang sakit ng likod ni Habi. Sorry. You need some massage.
Always late.
Massage.
One basket?
Yeah, we just only one basket. So anyway, malapit na kami sa counter. See you guys. Kasi mag-meet up na kami ng aking best friend later. So excited.
A few moments later.
Okay guys. Pagkatapos na namin mag-grocery, ilagay na namin sa luggage ang aming grocery anyway. So, pagkita na kami daw ng aking best friend kasi andito na siya mga palangga. Saan na kaya siya mga palangga? Kita na daw kami. Ay, Jollibee daw siya. Sana yun. I don't know where is she. Kasi hindi ako makatawag kasi nag-vlog tayo mga palangga. A lot of people in Greenwich, darling.
Yeah. There always is.
Huh?
Oh, they got pizza now. Is that her?
Here. No?
Okay.
No? Tara, nasaan na? Naghahanap ako sa kanya mga palangga. Baka magkita tayo ni Tita ready. Hala, a lot of people. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Okay, nasaan na siya? Andali mga palangga. Let's go. Pipila muna tayo kasi kakain tayo na hungry na tayo. Dito tayo sa Greenwich na yan. Okay, nakay bangko, lamisa. Ha? Ay, ganun. There's no available chairs and table. Wait lang tayo sa aking best friend. Dahil papunta na daw ko din dito. Nasaan na kaya ito? Inari ko sa kanya na lapit lang tayo dito sa sa may Greenwich.
You have to eat
Ay,
something.
dali-dali. Ikaw naka-ready na yun kadaan.
Ako naman pala. Wala, naging-gahigtan ako. Kaya kapoy man ko, baka na nagkuhan ba yan? Nagkuhan ba ako sa kuhan?
Sa?
Gamit.
Nag-lunch na ka?
Kamo?
Wala pa po. Wait lang, di. Zoom naman ka ayaw. Ayaw pa niya ito.
Zoom?
Zoom ka ayaw.
TikTok time.
Ha?
TikTok.
Oo, niya.
Kasi TikTok na ka.
Oo.
Adik.
Anyway, guys, nag-order lang ni pizza and beef roast. Di pa dumating. We are waiting for our number. Di pa siya nag-ano. Huh?
Oh, I thought it went off.
Not yet. So, we're already ordering. Nagkita na dyan me. Pina-abrak yung aming meet up. No? Ay, water. For sure, glass, be. Hi, guys! Ikatapos lang din namin kumain. We're having a date night with my best friend. So anyway, mga palangga, we just ate. We just ate some chicken again, and we're gonna fly na this one. So today, we just went to the, kasi bumili lang si Precious ng something shoes. Sandals. I think rubber shoes or something. I think it's not rubber shoes. I think it's what is it? What do you call that one?
Same like this one.
Same like this, like a sandal, something like that.
Cute ang butterfly
down
rin,
shoes,
no?
by the way.
Oh, down shoes.
So anyway, mga palangga, today is already late, and then we did not show you guys when we get there upstairs. We just ate in Maginasan.
Hello,
Chicken
ma'am.
again. Yeah. You know what, guys? Maginasan is our favorite place to eat. Oh my goodness, what's happening to you? She's always laughing.
No, I'm so happy because
Why? Because?
Papa, butterfly ring.
Why? What happened? Why you are keep on laughing? Why you always laughing?
Because I'm happy because we see na.
We see na. We see each other na.
See na.
Actually, it's beautiful. Look at guys. Sobrang look ko. So anyway, we have place to take a picture here. So anyway, we're just meeting each other for about 3 years. And now, nakita na rin kami mga palangga kasi you know na she's so busy and I am so busy. But ngayon lang talaga kami nagkita ni Precious and I am so happy. Kumain na rin kami. We talk a lot but not yet done. We're not done talking. So, mga palangga, hopefully that you're watching our vlog. No? I miss you so much, friend. Yeah, I really miss her. And I know that this is not just the last day that we met. I know that we can meet more time. More talk. Yeah, we spend more time and more talk. So, mag-picture muna kami dito kasi it was a nice area to take a picture. Right?
Yes.
Just walking around. Later, we're gonna walk around. So, anyway guys, kakatapos lang namin mag-picture doon. Then, di na sumama si Habi kasi masakit daw yung likod niya. And then, kami na lang ni Precious, yung aking best friend, para mag-spend time naman kaming dalawa. So, today, we are walking around. Walk. Pwede na po. So, we're going to Uniqlo and then we're just look there, ha? So, by the way, guys, bumili din kami ng we just went to Watson and to the pharmacy inside of the Watson. We just went there and I bought some medicine for hubby, by the way. Then after that one, we're going to walk around since we are full. We don't want to sit down, but it's better to walk around, walk around the mall. Yan. So let's go. So by the way, we are here in Uniqlo. Yan sa Uniqlo. Yan. Yan. Ayan. So, papasok na tayo. We're gonna go inside and just look around. Come here, pre. Wala na to, pre. Okay. This is really nice dress too. I think they're cheap na lang. 39. Ay, limited offer only. 390. Oh, na may barato. I think that's the one. 390 lang naman, oh.
Kalitari.
Pero una pa dyan dito, walk around. 790.
Kasi nasa color rin.
Asa man mo gusto? Ano, dili kay dali mahugaw. Pwede po ni O or kani. Mura man akong ano.
Kasi pet ni mo.
Kani, 390 rani tanan?
Oh.
Wow. I think purple nice also that one, oh. For this one also. Eh, since you are ano, dapat light. Kani. Or kani, kana lagi or purple. Tingnan na siya nga color. XL? Pwede naman magkasya man sa imo, diba? XL lang ba pinaka-malaki dito? Okay na siya. Pwede na siguro isukat, no? Pwede na tayo may isukat. Uy, sobrang puti naman na kayong mukha. Hindi naman ako naglagay ng any foundation sa aking mukha kasi I just wipe my face with wipes. So, I did not put anything. Ba't ang pula ng aking pisngi? Someone bite my face. So, anyway, we can walk around there, pre. After you pick some clothes there. Yeah. Large? Probably XL. Oh, that's enough, but you can try. You can try that one.
Kinani ang color niya.
Yeah, kasi you are ano naman morena, so that's supposed to be light. You can also try the purple one. Try purple one. Just grab lang good. And then, just try. Nay, nahulog ko. Or you can do it puti, white.
I can.
You don't like white. That one, or the purple one. But, yeah. Ikaw, try that one too. Orange? Look, orange. Sige, try. Just try. It's okay. And then your partner sa baba, ano, black, blue? Pantalon ba? Gusto niyo ba orange? I know, I don't want you to feel sad and you would say, I like those color orange. Okay, I think Uniqlo is good, you know. Like pants, how much is it? Oh, that's a good timing, huh? How much is one? Mini. Oh, mini. 490, that's the bag. And, okay, dito kami ngayon. We're gonna look some cheap, like less man, not cheap, like less price of the shirt. Kasi mostly of it is 1,000. But we can buy here, I think you're 1,000 peso. If we know lang how to pick cheapest one. Yeah, it was, oh my goodness.
Men's and women's U-crew neck short sleeve t-shirt from 590 pesos to 390 pesos. Kids Airson cotton stripe crew neck t-shirt from
Let's go. Yeah, maybe they have 590.
Round ultra
Why is
mini
it so
neck from
different?
590
No,
pesos to
they're the same
490
earlier.
pesos. Round mini shoulder bag
What
from
lang?
790
This one
pesos
too?
to 590 pesos.
590 only?
Jersey easy cargo pants
Where?
from
Okay.
1,290 pesos to 990 pesos. Linen blend sport from 1,290
Because they already have the price
990
everywhere.
pesos.
So, we're just gonna look somewhere else. Okay.
Can be used as a
990.
bag charm for every minimum spend of 3,000
Yes, naman ka, Day. Wala
on
ka sa vlog, Day.
receipts from May 23 to
Sorry,
29, 2025. Shop now and celebrate the Thank You Festival with Uniqlo.
Oh, wow. Look at their dressing. Oh, what's there? Nice day. Oh. It's 1,490. Is it good? Their quality, ano? Bad. Not really bad.
inventory information, and exclusive in-app promotions.
I can buy two, one of each of it, that one. I like the color purple and that one too, the yellow one.
New customers receive a 300 peso welcome
Cream.
gift.
Like creamy.
To our dear customers, Uniqlo aims to reduce the use of paper for your bag.
490 other bag.
Reusable shopping bag.
They're so cute, right? Here, oh!
Should you wish to
It's good for beach.
bag, please inform
Look at their
the
bags, oh, there.
with the proceeds going towards
790 on there, oh.
conservation
Not bad, bad.
For more
Let me
information
see.
on our partnership.
That's not bad. Is there any?
Download the Uniqlo app to learn more.
Here,
You
oh.
can also follow
That's
Carla
nice.
socials to learn more
Yeah, I like this, you know. I really like this.
and operation.
Not really bad, but you only have to lock this. Palangga.
This thank you festival,
Okay, it's only
exclusive
I like
offers,
it.
special prices, and special gifts.
Here. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. Hala, I guess I cannot put it back. A lot of people are buying today because they are in sale. They have 490 there, oh. They're also, oh, but it's for kids. Oh, it's a color, no? I like anime. It's so cute. Hey, wait lang. Then I put it here for a while. Don't forget. Kurumi, my melody. So, it's nice also this one. Oh. Hello Kitty and friends. How much man? This one 790. Oh, not bad.
Ikaw, what you want to buy?
I think that one too. The one you picked earlier.
But different color. Or
Ah.
just the same. But different size.
Yeah, different size, but I can pick red
One top
or
creamy.
beanie. I can also pick black one. Oh, there's another area here too. It's for you. Look at that, guys. Oh, that's really nice. Is it heavy enough?
No, it's not.
Well, are you sure? 790, 990. The pants. Go down here for pants. I think this is for men. Oh yeah, that's for men. Oh, you know what? I can try this one. Oh, I think this. Wait. Hubby really likes this, but they don't have zippers. He likes a zipper, not bottom.
Hindi siya ganado.
No, bottom not. Ayan na, we just picked some clothes. Actually, it's already late, so anyway guys, we're gonna say goodbye because my camera right now are low but na. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe for
Click
more.
the button below.
Yes, and
Comment
comment down below. Comment down below, guys. Enjoy. God bless you.